Hello, dear students. Hello, dear students. Welcome back. I'm Sharda Lande. Today's our subject is English. In our previous lecture, students, you study our seventh lesson. What is the name of our seventh lesson? Its name is Be a Writer. Now today we are going to our next chapter. 8 number chapter, and its name is A Great Leader. A great leader. Great means, students, who was a noble or who was a very well known all over the world. And leader means who was a noble person, who was a very precious, and all peoples who know that very well about him. So we are calling him a great leader. So first of all, I want to ask you, did you know that who was a great leaders? Any name of, do you know that? In my knowledge, I know some names who was a great leaders. Like first name in this lesson, you study about the person who was a Mahatma Gandhi. Now, the other name of the great leaders, he was a so many names and so many peoples who are so many peoples who fought for our freedoms, our independence, India's independence. And their names is Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rajguru Sukhdev, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So many peoples who fought for our freedoms. Lala Lajpat Rai. But in this lesson, you study about the one person who was a great leader, who was following three ways, who was following a way, who was not using any arms and any weapons. He just believed in a peace. He just believed in a peacefully life, and his way is very peaceful. And this way he was choosing to fight for our independence, to fight for India's independence. And he was a Mahatma Gandhi. So students, who was a many more leaders, like you know that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. But one of the most who was following a peaceful way, he was following a peaceful way to win the war of India's independence. He was a Mahatma Gandhi. So now we are going to continue our lesson. Listen to me very carefully. So now I'm going to start our lesson. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leader of the world. Other leaders win wars by hurting others and killing them. Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and any weapons like guns, rifles, or bombs, and yet he won the war of India's independence. People lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji, or father of the nation. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. If he decided to do something, He did not. He if he decided if he decided to do something, he did it, no matter how difficult it was. One day he decided that he would have any early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. Students, today we will learn about the two paragraph. Okay. In our lesson starting, I told you the names of the great leaders. And in this lesson, you study about the Mahatma Gandhi, who was very peaceful, and he was choosing this way, peacefully fought for in the war of India's independence. So students, now Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leader of the world. I told you, leader means a noble person all over world, about all over the world know about the person. So like this, Mahatma Gandhi was the one of the greatest leader, and in whole over the world, in whole over the world, Mahatma Gandhi was very well known person. Other leaders win wars by hurting others and killing them. Other leaders, I told you, like Rajguru, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh. Other leaders was believing hurting others and killing them to getting a other leaders was believing in hurting others and killing them, not killing them, because they are believing if we are not fighting, so we don't get our right. They are believing that way. But Mahatma Gandhi was believing in a peacefully. They believe peacefully. They thought that if we believe in peaceful, so definitely we will get our rights. So like that, Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and any weapons like guns, rifles or bombs. So that's why students, other leaders are using guns, rifles, but Mahatma Gandhi did not use any weapons. And yet he won the war of India's independence. And that's why he won the war of India's independence. And that's why we all people, all over the world, all peoples are called him Bapu or Bapuji or father of the nation. Students, Mahatma Gandhi was a man of iron will. Man of iron will means he was very precious person. If he decided to do anything, so he did it. If he decided to do anything, so he did it. No matter it is difficult or it is easy. He decided that he would have one day he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. So one day, students, Mahatma Gandhi was decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. It means sometimes we are guessing that Mahatma Gandhi ji was miss their everyday prayers. So that's why they decided one day he would have an early morning prayer every day. He decided I should attend the prayer. That's why he decided. And after that, he never missed the prayer. So like that, he was a very peaceful, but he was a very courageously and very brilliant man, and that's why he was a man of iron will. Man of iron will. It means if he think that, if he thought that he want to do anything, so he definitely did it. Iron will means, students, a strong determination. A strong determination. It means that it means that he want to do anything. He want to do anything and he do it. Suppose I want to give you an example. Did you hear a story of rabbit and hare? Sorry, tortoise and rabbit. Did you hear the story? In this story, you know that rabbit was a very overconfident about his skill and about his talent, but tortoise was not a overconfident. That's why they they had a they had a competition, and at the end of the competition, who won the competition? Tortoise. Who won the competition? Tortoise. Because of his tortoise was believing his own self. Tortoise was believing his own self. But rabbit was very overconfident about his talent and about his skill. Rabbit was teases the two tortoise. Teases to the tortoise because tortoise was very slow and rabbit was very fast, and that's why. But at the end of the story, tortoise was won the competition. So like that, the example. So like that, this example is iron will means a strong determination. It means to believing own self, and Mahatma Gandhi ji was like that. So students, today I will teach you these two paragraphs. In our next lesson, in our next lecture, we will going to continue our lesson. So thank you so much, students. We will meet in our next lecture.